Here we have the Urus SE, and that's how the car looks like. Let's start with the Autobahn run and driving. I'm so excited. Let's go. Unlimited in 3, 2, 1, go. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video where today we drive a Lamborghini. Today's one of those days where we will be driving a Lamborghini. Here we have the Lamborghini Urus SE, and we will be taking it on an Autobahn run. Before we actually start today's video, let's talk about the numbers and let me show you the engine. All you gotta do is do this, push it, actually pull it, and then as soon as we open up this here, we have the iconic 4-liter twin turbocharged V8 by Lamborghini. I mean, we all know they share the V8 platform with all the Volkswagen group, but this one is highly modified. It's in-house modified by Lamborghini, giving us plus 600 horsepower, but that's not all about it. Because the Lamborghini Urus SE is a plug-in hybrid, so this one comes with an electric drive motor, which gives us a total output of 192 horsepower with 600-ish horsepower coming from the V8, making this an 800 horsepower performance beast, performance SUV. This called the HPEV, High Performance EV, electrified vehicle by Lamborghini, following the Core Tauri electrification and hybridization of the whole model lineup. Here we have the Urus SE, and that's how the car looks like. This exterior paint is called Blue Oceanos and looks absolutely fantastic. And that's how the car looks from the back. I will just leave the GoPro here and we will be listening to the sound, all right? Like the sound of the Urus SE. Now that's about it for the exterior. If you want to watch a full walk around video, check the info box above. Let's start with the Autobahn run and driving. I'm so excited. Let's go. Closing the door here, and this is our POV view today. The cockpit view of this performance SUV, 800 horsepower Lamborghini Urus. Let's get it on. I'm so excited. So you guys actually know me. I get excited whenever we drive a V8, V12 or 10-cylinder engine. Anything that's more than 8-cylinder, anything that has plus 600 horsepower here, I'm really excited and curious to test today. Urus SE. There's something interesting that I have to show you. These are the driving modes, and whenever we switch the car into Strada, the engine turns off and we have electric drive only. Watch this. We're driving full electric inside a Lamborghini. This feels illegal, but it's all up to you. We have an electric range up to 60 kilometers, and this is not the reason why we are driving today's video, and that's why we will be switching it to sport. And now we can hear the V8 rumble and Corsa. This is the way to go. So let's get on and let's start today's drive. So making our way towards the German Autobahn. Car is set in Corsa. All right, unlimited in 3, 2, 1, go. Oi, oi, oi. Wow, a lot of boost, and you feel like you have endless power since you have the V8, and then you're getting the additional boost of the hybrid powertrain, making this car unstoppable. This thing is ready to go, I'm telling you. This is crazy. This is crazy. So making our way back on the German Autobahn here. We have a view of the temperature of the engine. coolant and the gear oil. 3, 2, 1. Back at it again. Whoa! Unbelievable! Let's push it. This is crazy. 4th gear going all the way up to 200 kph is impressive. Wow. Gear. Shifting it down. 3, 2, 1. It down again. Carbon ceramic brakes. Give you the confidence. Pushing it up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go again. Taking a corner with 200, just look at that, and then breaking it down again. There's actually a Ferrari right in front of us. Look at this. 812, amazing car. Wow, I love this. Lovely car, amazing car. This is what you see on German Autobahns. Breaking it down again. Carbon ceramic brakes is too easy. What do you guys think? So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the drive with the Lamborghini Urus SE. If you want to watch more of this car here in specific, please let me know in the comment section below. Just park the car here and then we will just have a look from the outside. Put the car in park. Here you go. So that's about it, guys. How do you guys like today's drive inside the Lamborghini Urus SE? I have to say it's quite nice. There's no compromise. We have both sound and performance. The only thing that I'm concerned about is the weight. So that's the only thing you actually feel while driving, not while accelerating. You feel that when you brake, it feels a bit wobbly, but all in all, this feels like driving a high performance Urus, and making it hybrid here, I don't mind. It's quite fine as long as we have a nice sound and a driving experience. How do you guys like it? Leave it in the comment section below. I'm already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.